Good day learners. In this video we are going to explain how to write the reduction half reaction and the oxidation half reaction using this table of standard reduction potentials. Okay, so first of all we need to understand the definitions. The definition that we are going to use today is in terms of electron transfer. Reduction is a gain of electrons, oxidation is a loss of electrons. So when you gain something you become bigger. So if a substance gains electrons, it will become bigger. When it loses electrons, it becomes smaller. When it loses electrons, becomes smaller. So you will have two substances that you compare. One of these substances will undergo reduction and the other one will undergo oxidation reaction. So the one with a bigger number is our reduction. The one with a lesser or smaller number, that is the smaller reduction potential, is our oxidation. Okay, it's like that. Now let's look at this diagram. Kule diagram sinantoni pha, we have zinc efakwe kwi-solution of copper sulfate. Sulfate is a spectator, which means we have copper ion ozoreactor no zinc. So between copper no zinc, enye will undergo oxidation, enye will undergo reduction. Sizoyibona kanjani? Ene number enkulu reduction, because reduction again, and a number encinci oxidation. Okay, let's go to the table and check that quickly. We are looking for zinc. So naku zinc wethu, the potential energy yakhe phangu negative 0.76. Let's go for copper. Then now copper weight, the potential energy akhona phangu 0.34. So which one is the smallest here? Negative 0.76 is the smallest. So encinci we said oxidation, because oxidation loses electrons. Oxidation is a loss of what? Of electrons. Leni number enkulu positive 0.3, which means that this one will undergo reduction. So ithini itape ke ngokuyona igama le tape. Itape ithi standard reduction potentials, which means zonke ezibhalwe lapha sezingu-reduction reaction. Sizombhala kanjani oxidation reaction? Sizogqwetha reduction lo. Kukho le arrow pha double pha, that is reversible. Le arrow ithi we have oxidation, we have reduction. Ukuya kwelicala ku-reduction iyatsho. If you copy i-reaction usuka left usiya right, ukhuphela lento lapha, that is a reduction. Then oxidation yena sizomqala right siyephi left, because ayo oxidation potential. So masiye ngosiyozibhala apha, sesishilo sathi this one will undergo oxidation and this one will undergo reduction. So xa seke ngokuyibhala lento uzoqala apha ku-zinc, because ufuna ubhala oxidation ka-zinc. U-zinc loses electrons to ions. So sisho sibe no zinc loses the electrons, Zn2 plus 2 electrons. Then u-reduction yana simkhuphela njengobe njalo, siqala ngapha. So izoba ngu-Cu2 plus 2 electrons to form u-Cu. Then sibe sizibhalile as a reaction. Remember, enenamba encinci oxidation, enenamba enkulu reduction. Siqala kweliphi icala? Reduction, because itape le ngu-standard reduction potential. U-reduction simkhuphela njengobe njalo, u-oxidation siyamqwetha. then sibe sigqibile lula kanjalo. Now let's say we have maybe Ag versus Cl. Ziya-reacta zoyi-2 ezi. Masiyojonga ke ngoku yeyiphi ezoba oxidation. So this is our Ag, this is our chlorine. Let's look at number layer, the standard reduction potential. So this number for Ag was 0.8, but up to 1.36. So this one in will undergo oxidation. This one in cool will undergo reduction. Remember, reduction simkhuphela njengobenjalo. Oxidation simqala right, siye left. So oxidation somqala lapha siye le. So Ag loses electrons to Ag plus electron. Then this one will copy it as it is. So iqala lapha, that is Cl2 plus 2 electrons to form 2Cl minus. Siyibhala ngolo hlobo lula kanjalo, oxidation and reduction. Now let's talk about, for example, aluminium versus magnesium. Just to emphasize, aluminium and aluminium and magnesium. So nansi magnesium yethu, no negative 2 pha. Let's check for aluminium. Nansi aluminium no negative 1.6. Yeyiphi ke ngoyinamba encinci? Negative 2.36 mncinci kuno negative 1.66, which means aluminium will undergo oxidation. Aluminium will undergo reduction, then magnesium ibe oxidation nxa inamba yayo itheni incinci yona. Okay, so xa sesiyibhala ke ngoku oxidation siqala phi? Right, siye left. So sizothi ke magnesium to form magnesium 2 plus 2 electrons. Then aluminium yena, since i-tape kwayo seyingu-reduction already, so mkhuphela njengobenjalo, aluminium 3 plus 3 electrons, then we get the aluminium Al. Then basically that is how to write reduction and oxidation half reactions. See, we check the number encinci pha, because oxidation loses electrons. Inamba encinci yeka oxidation, inamba enkulu yeka reduction reaction. Then we are done. Sibe sigqibile reduction simbhala njengobenjalo because itable vele seyingu-reduction. Oxidation ke ngona simqala right simse left. Then we are done. That is how we write the reduction and oxidation half reaction. Another question that you can get here, why the solution becomes colorless. You can see that the solution now is blue here. Then after a while the solution becomes colorless. So sijikeleza lapho uzothi okay, it is blue now, right? Siyavuma. But when you add zinc pha, the zinc loses the electrons, which means uZn loses the electrons. Xa lose electrons uZn, it is a stronger reducing agent than ubani uCu. So uzoluza eza electrons uZn, meaning that Z loses the electrons. Zn is oxidized. Xa oxidized sithi uluza electrons to form Zn2 plus. Then ucopper yena is a stronger, Cu2 plus is a stronger oxidizing agent, which means gain electrons. Cu2 plus will be reduced, uzogaina electrons, undergo reduction reaction, so will be reduced to form Cu, that is as la solid pha kula contain. Itsho ibe colorless ke ngoyihamba kanjalo, siyiphendula kanjalo, sijonga strength of reducing agent ne strength of oxidizing agent xa siphendula la question yecolor. So injalo.